to the dark circus edge. Sip some lemonade, fix some marriage and gotta get verified.
It's your boy, the Chaos Creator. No love for a hater. Your homie's a maverick on fire, making liars perspire. Alright, got your boy, SB's, Seth. Yeah, I'm on my way up to Durango. So, who knows? Yeah, I'm not excited about this at all. I'm super excited, not excited. I'm gonna like film everybody in the hospital and make them uncomfortable. Coca-Cola and their global agenda to spread aspartame through your veins and give you cancer. Who invented the roundabout? Like, they should be tossed off a cliff. Look at this. What? No, okay. Oh God. See, I can't even tell if they're coming at me or not. Like, and then it's just like, do I go? Okay, it's a one-way. This is like some Mad Max shit. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Bro, it's like, as soon as you start taking care of yourself, you get like sick. So I'm not even sure I'm heading the right way. I'm gonna be lost. But yeah, you know, take care of yourself, and then all of a sudden, life hits right in the liver. The hallways be dead. It's like the back rooms, bro. But can you tell me who is Otis? So apparently I'm looking at like a 2 or 3 treatment plan or something. I didn't even realize this. And yeah, we're just gonna keep an eye on the liver. I guess, I mean, I got people lining up to give me one if I have to. I don't even like joking, dude. I don't even like joking. No.